Oi there, what's the best way to turn pink into red? We're going to show you. Awesome. Right, so here's the 303 Aerospace Protectant. Aerospace, that means it's got to be good. Look at that, coming back to life. This actually brings it back and protects it.
And this will need several coats.
Yep. So this bike's from the Republic of California. So it got some sun.
They drove it on the Alcan. I mean, it's got some miles on it for...
Sure. Yeah, drove all the way up here. Holy moly, look at that difference, eh? Tell you what, a little bit of that 303. Now, we're still gonna put one or two more coats on it. I tell you what, now over here, it's got some pretty bad sunburn. Even that part's coming alive. Hey, hope you enjoyed that little tech tip. Thanks for watching, and remember, be kind.